for their patience in order to give our students the best education they needed as learning kids of the school. To our beloved parents for their endearing love and limitless effort in guiding their children to do their homework and all other projects
Lakad.
related to the evaluation of the school. Thank you so much for being there in all the time because you have served as an inspiration for us. As we close this graduation rite, there are so many things that we will treasure most. The memories of fun, laughter, joys, and sorrows, failures, and success we have shared together. Once again, thank you very much and more power, God bless.
Thank you. Very good talaga si JF.
Okay, no? So, sila yung mga first honor natin sa batch na ito. Okay, so let's move on to our pledge of loyalty. So, bago sabihin ni Kulin, nais ko muna lahat-lahat ng mga graduates ay nandito sa harapan.
Nursery, kinder, prep.
Nursery, kinder, prep, punta mo na dito sa harapan for our pledge of loyalty. No, doon lang sa baba, sa harap. Dito.
Taas ang kanang kamay!
Kanan.
Ito na!
Baliktad eh.
Ready? Stand up!
Oh.
Pledge of loyalty! Pledge of loyalty! To my beloved alma mater! To our beloved alma mater! The Blue Sapphire Learning Center! The Blue Sapphire Learning Center! 12 Mile Street Congressional Subdivision!
Uli, namayos ka. Oh, sige na. I do. Okay na yan. Oh, I also...